टेल मी वन थिंग, व्हाट इफ आई फेल? ये एक थॉट आपके पूरे दिमाग को हिला के रख देता है। नो मैटर आप कितना भी अपने आप को पॉजिटिव रखो, कितना भी पढ़ाई पे फोकस करने की कोशिश करो, जब भी ये थॉट आता है व्हाट इफ आई फेल, आपका पूरा फोकस हिल जाता है, पूरा मोमेंटम खराब हो जाता है। इफ यस एंड यू वांट टू गेट इम्यून टू दिस थॉट, ताकि अगली बार जब ये थॉट आए आपको कोई फर्क ही ना पड़े, देन जस्ट लिसन टू दिस। कम ऑन, क्लोज योर आईज and take a deep breath. You can take a sip of water if you want to, because your mind needs hydration. And let's listen to this. What if I fail is just a thought? What if I fail is just a thought? It's just a fearful thought and nothing else. What if I fail is just a thought, not the reality. Thoughts come and thoughts go, but I decide which thought I give power to. And this thought has no power over me. These thoughts are like a train. So many trains come on a station, but I choose only that train that takes me to my destination. So I have the power which train to board, which thought to ignore. And I choose to ignore this thought. What if I fail? And from now on, whenever this thought will come, I will replace this thought with what if I pass? What if I get an exemption? What if I get an all India rank? Yes, from now on, I choose the thoughts that empowers me. What if I pass? What if I get an exemption? What if I score all India rank? And now imagine the moment when the result is out. You open it, your heart is beating fast, and then you see successful. For a second, you just freeze, and then slowly a smile comes on your face. You call your parents, Papa, Mummy, ho gaya. There is a silence for a moment, and then their happiness, their pride. You can feel it even through the phone. Your friends start calling you, messages start coming in. Congratulations, so proud of you. And you just sit there smiling, feeling it all. All the efforts, all the tough days, all the moment you didn't give up, it was all worth it. Just stay in that feeling for a moment. This moment is possible, and today you are working towards it. How are you feeling? Feeling empowered? If yes, type in the comment section, what if I pass? What if I get an exemption? What if I score all India rank? So every time this thought comes to your mind, what if I fail? Replace it with, what if I pass? What if I get an exemption? What if I get an all India rank? Now take this energy and give your 100% in your preparation, and keep reminding yourself, what if I pass? What if I get an exemption? What if I score all India rank? Keep reminding yourself. Till then, take care. Bye bye.